cost of dental implants? This is a very difficult question to answer for a simple reason that a dental implant is not just one thing. There are types and types and types of dental implants which can be used in case of a patient. There may be implants which are extremely thin in diameter, which are known as mini implants, which can be placed in a patient's mouth, and these are not very expensive and a cheaper solution to the problem. And on the other hand, we have implants from some major manufacturers which can be extremely expensive because they have a very sophisticated surface around which the bone grows, or has very sophisticated geometry when it comes to the implant per se. So the type of implant varies, and therefore the cost also would vary. Not only that, it also depends upon the bone that is available for the placement of implant. If the available bone is compromised, then obviously the doctor will have to perform a procedure which can be termed as a little more complex or complicated and may require additional tools, additional techniques, additional armamentarium, and that would again make the implantology a little more expensive. And of course, there may be times when the bone may not be enough, and the doctor may have to employ some kind of technique to bring in new bone formation in that area, a process what is known as grafting of bone, and this again is going to make the implant process even more expensive. So therefore, to give some kind of indication on the cost of implant is a little difficult. But just to give you a ballpark idea about the costs involved, if there is a single tooth that is missing with reasonably good volume of bone available around it, and we are going to place one of the standard implants, then we are looking at a two-phase procedure. And the first phase, typically the cost would be between 20 and 30,000 rupees, and the second phase can be anything between 10 to 20,000 rupees. This is the kind of cost that we are looking at when we have a standard kind of implant placement situation.
For more on your health, log on to health.india.com.